And he is releasing new music in March and does live streams on YouTube, Instagram, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you guys like what you hear, you should go check him out. Give it up for Sean O'Reilly, everyone.
That wasn't a song, but people always want you to do this if you play it. So, hi everybody, I'm Sean. It's nice to see all these new faces, and some that aren't so new. I like those too. I'm going to start with a song called Nothing Like You. Before I was trying to take this whole music thing seriously, I worked in restaurants and bars. And I don't know if anybody's worked in those kind of places, but the people are like, do you know what Brian and Lisa are doing in the back? And all that sort of. So this was kind of a song where people were talking about whatever Brian and Lisa were doing in the back. And I knew that it wasn't true, but I thought, let's write a song like if it's true, because it sounded kind of fun. It's called Nothing Like You.
Alright if we spend the night all under this muscle called a night. You're like a big black ball on a red present light. You know I can't wait to be opening soon. So let's go. We could drive real fast. We could take this slow. Train to New York City, I keep it all down low. I know that I talk real fast. I know you're not quite sure. The sincerity of my confession, dear, to mention that I never felt this free before. But I see nothing on too, but I never seen nothing like you. I've never seen nothing like you. So tell me what's up. Can you tell me what's going down below the surface of your machinery that I wanna be made all alone? I left the manual open. I've never seen a thing or two, but I've never seen nothing like you. It's true, you know I've never seen nothing like you. I'm living my life like a book on a shelf, an open on a red, and I can't keep from keeping secrets from myself. My sad little smart plays year after year. Can't keep the feeling like that's been leading to this very moment. Let's hear you. But I've seen a thing or two, you know I've never seen another like you. As true as these eyes, they're blue. I've never seen nothing, never seen nothing, never seen nothing, never seen nothing like you.
tremendous creativity for this set list. Play a song. It's called Two, so I'm playing it second.
You say it looks too familiar. We might be lost, I still couldn't care less. Son, you take out your phone to check the address. Well, the sun is shining, the breeze it's blowing. The lights, they're all turning green. And I look in your direction, all the world is smoking, I know. Two birds in a tree, they can sing along. And you were walking with me, I never stood round her. Yet to reach a number whose summer leaves life's greatest equation complete. It seems we were always one left turn from finding ourselves undressed. The time we were lost, well, that's the time that I'd never give back. 'Cause when a journey's only a matter